Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin especially had a bullish Wednesday meeting in a fundamentally enormous manner. An absence of organization refreshes left Doge and SHIB in the possession of the more extensive crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. The specialized pointers especially stay bullish, flagging essentially further cost acquires in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin rose by 2.86% on Wednesday, which really is genuinely critical. A negative basically start to the day explicitly saw Doge tumble to a by and large early exceptionally low of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner, avoiding the main sort of significant help level at 8 cents. Doge by and large revitalized to a very late lovely high of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner, notwithstanding missing the mark on the main significant obstruction level at 8 cents. Doge especially moved back to end the meeting at 8 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Shiba Inu coin generally revitalized by 4.11% on Wednesday, which truly is very critical, to some extent switching a 6.67% slide from Tuesday. SHIB explicitly finished the day at $0, exhibiting that to some degree turning around a 6.67% slide from Tuesday. SHIB especially finished the day at $0, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Following the more extensive market, SHIB in a real sense slid to an in every way that really matters, early low of $0 in unobtrusive way, avoiding the primary essentially significant help level at $0. SHIB explicitly revitalized to a by and large late in every way that really matters, high of $0 a for the most part huge manner, facing the principal most certainly significant opposition level at $0. SHIB explicitly moved back to end the day at $0 a kind of large manner. Wide-based crypto rally quiet's effective Shibarium most certainly redesigned quiet, as opposed to prevalent thinking. It generally was one more calm day for Doge and SHIB, with no organization updates to impact financial backer opinion in a significant manner. The absence of updates left Doge and SHIB in the possession of the more extensive crypto market in an essentially huge manner, facilitating FTX and beginning virus risk certainly proceeded to fundamentally convey cost help amazingly. Miserable standpoints powered downturn fears yet in addition upheld wagers of a took care of turn, adding to the midweek bounce back, which explicitly is very critical. Today, U.S. monetary pointers will generally draw interest. Jobless cases and Q4 gross domestic product numbers are in center in an unpretentious manner. Be that as it may, network updates would essentially quiet the impact of the U.S. details in a fundamentally huge manner. A Shibarium for the most part overhaul date, with exchange speed and expense subtleties would in a real sense support a bullish SHIB meeting, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, insight about Twitter continuing its crypto mix task would truly uphold a breakout Doge meeting, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin value activity, really in spite of mainstream thinking. At the hour of composing, Doge generally was down 0.46% to 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner. A blended beginning to the day truly saw Doge ascend to a sort of early extremely high of 8 cents prior to tumbling to a sort of low of 8 cents, which explicitly shows that avoiding the primary in every practical sense, significant help level at $0. SHIB in a real sense energized to a by and large late kind of high of $0 in especially significant manner, specialized pointers in an unpretentious manner. Doge actually needs to stay away from a fall through the 8 cents turn to focus on the main in every way that really matters. Significant obstruction level at 8 cents. A travel through the Wednesday especially high of 8 cents would flag a Doge bounce back, which truly is very huge. In any case, the crypto news wires and organization refreshes need to generally be Doge accommodating to help a breakout meeting in an especially significant manner. In case of a lengthy assembly, the genuinely second kind of significant opposition level at 9 cents and 95 cents would commonly possible basically become an integral factor, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The third kind of significant opposition level fundamentally sits at 9 cents and in every practical sense, significant way. Nonetheless, blocking a lengthy auction, Doge ought to essentially keep away from sub-8 cents and the fundamentally second truly significant help level at 7 cents in a genuinely significant way. The third especially significant help level sits at 7 cents, which is genuinely critical. The EMAS truly conveyed a bullish message, with Doge sitting over the 50-day EMA, presently at 8 cents, which sort of is genuinely critical. Toward the beginning of today, the 50-day EMA truly created some distance from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA enlarging from the 200-day EMA in a fundamentally huge manner. The cost flags basically were bullish. A hold over the 50-day EMA would explicitly uphold a breakout from R1 to bring R2 and 9 cents into view, showing how facilitating FTX and beginning infection risk basically proceeded to in every practical sense convey cost help, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, A fall through the 50-day would essentially give the really bears a run at the 100-day EMA and S1, which by and large is very huge. A fall through the 50-day EMA would sort of convey a negative message, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Shiba Inu coin value activity, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. At the hour of composing, SHIB was up 0.17% to $0, a kind of significant manner. Specialized pointers, which fundamentally is very critical. SHIB explicitly needs to explicitly stay away from a fall through the $0 every way that really matters. Turn to focus on the main all things considered, significant opposition level at $0, which certainly is genuinely critical. Notwithstanding, SHIB would basically require more subtleties on the Shibarium redesign and more extensive market backing to convey one more breakout meeting in a truly significant manner. As a matter of fact, in case of a drawn-out meeting, SHIB could test the fundamentally second exceptionally significant obstruction level at $0 a significant way. The third significant obstruction level by and large sits at $0 a very huge manner. A fall through the turn would in every practical sense bring the principal genuinely significant help level at $0 play. So bleak standpoints filled downturn fears yet additionally upheld wagers of a took care of turn, adding to the essentially midweek bounce back, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding, blocking one more expanded auction, SHIB ought to essentially stay away from sub-$0, the fundamentally second in every way that really matters, significant help level at $0, or so they generally thought. The EMAs explicitly convey a bullish message, with SHIB sitting over the 50-day EMA, at present at $0, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 50-day EMA generally pulled away from the 100-day EMA, with the 100-day EMA augmenting from the 200-day EMA, or so they thought. The signs in every practical sense were bullish in an unobtrusive way. A hold over the 50-day EMA would basically uphold a breakout from R1 to target R2. Be that as it may, a fall through the 50-day EMA would truly give the certainly bears a run at S1 and the 100-day EMA. So avoiding the principal sort of significant help level at $0, SHIB generally energized to a fundamentally late extremely high of $0, which especially is very huge. A fall through the 50-day would essentially flag a negative change in opinion.